Okay, I think it's live.
Alright, link me.
Uh,
See this puppy in action.
how do I link you? Like, I do not know how my link is.
Alright, what's your YouTube channel?
TheYouchra.
TheYouchra?
TheYouchra.
AT-Youchra or what?
No, TheYouchra, that's an
Oh,
article.
TheYouchra. youtube.com/user/Youchra. Nice, you're live. Okay.
Okay. Clement.
Okay.
Go to youtube.com/user/TheYouchra.
Alright, so you can see it from your channel. If I was subscribed to you, it would probably show up in the subscription box that you were live.
TheYouchra? Yeah.
Here's, if you want the link to watch your stream, here it is.
I went to my own channel, but I didn't show anything.
The subscription box. It might be because you're the person running it.
Oh, yeah, I think so. Lol.
Let's see here.
This stream
What is nice?
Wait a second. This stream is getting blocked for Clemens because we're in Germany, and he doesn't.
What the fuck?
He isn't running a proxy. I'm running a proxy because if I'm using YouTube, I'm using French YouTube. Like it's not actually because Germany sucks. Germany blocks everything.
Why does Germany block stuff?
Because of the GEMA. I don't know if you heard of that, but it's like some organization that's like protecting stuff, whatever. It's blocking so much on YouTube.
Okay. Well, that's an immediate downside, but it's good to know. One thing that is super good about it, like you can see yourself on the thing, is you can edit the quality. Like I'm watching you in 144p at the moment.
Oh, that's really good. Like for Twitch, you can only do that shit, and if you're like
not only that,
if you're a featured streamer.
But I can scroll back like very easily. I just went back a minute and a half, and I'm just watching you a minute and a half in the past now.
Oh,
I believe
boy.
it does that. I watched a little bit last night. I believe it does a 2-hour period where you can scroll back and watch something over.
Okay, that's really cool.
Yeah.
Clemens, you probably want to get this for your sake. Like, click. You want to get this one, Proxflow, for Google Chrome, and then you can go for like it's looking for like it's going through French or something that hasn't got Gamer, and then you can watch everything on YouTube, and it's legal.
All right.
Yeah.
So one immediate application I can see for this is, and the other control that you're allowed to have is the speed. The one thing I can see immediately that we can do with this is if we wanted to show a replay.
Yeah, replay. Super easy. Super easy.
It would just be a window capture. We'll screen it. Put in. We could even do like slow motion.
Yes.
Like put the speed at 2.5 and watch a thing in slow motion, which is really cool. My main issues come with it are there's a couple things. One thing that's confusing me is the difference between TheYouchra, if it shows up on here. Okay, so you can watch it on, so like here's it on the gaming YouTube area. So like you can see there's a chat. I believe that you can set up donations as well, so like so that it just like you can donate via a button on the right hand side of the chat. I remember seeing that. I was watching Chilled Chaos do it last night. I'm just gonna. Alright, so that's that much. Let me see if I can up it. What's your... So how did you set it up, by the way?
I'm guessing it's wrong. Like,
No.
I
I mean, like, what, like, are you live streaming in 1080p? Did they give you an option anywhere? What's the
no,
situation
I'm
with
just
the...
using Open Broadcast, OBS.
Okay. Okay, you're
And
using
then
OBS.
yeah,
Oh.
let me just show you. Like, I just hit settings, did a new profile. I can't change that at the moment because I'm streaming. Then you get a. Then I switch this over to YouTube, and I just use this one because it was default. And then you get a streaming key. I just copy paste it there, and then I just hit apply and stream.
Okay.
The rest of my settings are the ones we did together for Twitch. So I don't know if they apply for YouTube as well, but I just use them.
All right. Interesting for me is like, it just really does a fantastic job of cutting the connection speed required.
Mm-hmm.
See what you say. On 144p.
Oh, you need the OBS stuff again? Oh no, you can rewatch it and pause it. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like YouTube for that stuff. Like I want to watch YouTube streams as a consumer.
The thing I dislike is the no extraneous links. There's no like area underneath where you can read stuff we have on Twitch with our like social media links and like that. Also, it does seem like I do think that we're going to probably be going to a system using Patreon, which I don't think that I mean, you can actually link a YouTube channel to a Patreon. And
What is that? I never heard that. Patreon.
It's a donation fund system. It's like a crowdsource system. Essentially, it's like being subscribed on Twitch.
Oh, okay, I think you showed me that before. I just forgot.
Yeah, I did.
I saw that because the link was marked as visited, and so I figured. Okay.
The one really good thing about it is that all of your live streams are immediately uploaded to YouTube.
Yeah, I really like that, like this.
Which is incredible, and like gives us an archive that's permanent and good.
Yep.
How do we make it work? All right. Can you live stream? Oh, you're using OBS and you're streaming to YouTube, so you can't then also stream.
I was just thinking that. No, I can't do that.
Yeah.
Because I use OBS for both, and I can't start it twice. I think.
Yeah, no, you can't. I do. I think I did a little research into this before. What was it? I think I did it in. Alright, use a multi-launch.
I just added a description. Is that now appearing somewhere?
Should do. Hang on.
Maybe you have to read it.
Probably. Hello, this is TheYouchra.
Okay, where do you see that?
In details, like it's.
Oh, okay.
Next to the chat, can you put anything in there? Or what kind of customizability does it have?
I can't put any text in there, and then it also says somewhere, or it did. Oh, wait a second. Um, there was.
All right.
What is a thumbnail? Is that some sort of picture? Liam,
Yeah, sorry, what?
you know what a thumbnail is? Is that a picture? Or what is that?
Yeah, it's the little picture that shows when. So you know how YouTube has like a little image next to their title and like the in its condensed version. That's the image. That's a thumbnail.
Okay, I added one. Do not know where that is though.
Leave and change. But I believe we have to set up like a. All right. So try this. Your upload speed is 20 megabyte per second, right?
Yeah.